This is a video of measurements of a delivery from Micro Fasteners Australia. We've had a bit of an altercation, especially considering what they've charged me. Now these M3 threaded rods were quoted $6.60 per rod plus freight. On handing over my credit card, I find they've charged me $6.60 plus 25 freight plus GST on top of everything. Getting that 2.73. Now, when I make comment that these actually do not work with M3 nuts, their answer was simply our suppliers did it to the DIN standard, and that's that. They have since, on further communication, said that I can send them back at my expense. Now, considering these 10, and they don't sell less than 10, cost me over $100, so my cost equating to $10 per rod. I'm rather unhappy about this, as they are currently holding up production of a prototype, a rather important prototype. As you can see, these are barely above the threading drill size of M3, let alone the standard sizing, which is 2.98 to 2.85, and of course you try and tighten an M3 nut on this, it will tighten momentarily and then it will let go. So just so I can keep measuring all of them, but I think you get the gist here. This is an M3. That's a cheaper, out of China, M3 bolt, hardened steel one. Okay, so they're just above minimum. Verify the calipers. That's a 4mm hardened steel shaft. They are +0 minus 0.05 in specifications. And a 5mm, same specs. Okay, so it's not a doctored caliper. This is the product they sent.